Pay it forward, everybody. A very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to create this simple collar that you can use on so many of my creations. He's designed, this one I designed for my memory animal series, but it could certainly be used on many of your other bears and dolls. You can increase that pattern or decrease it, and you'll find your pattern in the link. It takes you to my website and you'll be able to get that template. It's super easy, takes about 3 minutes. Let me show you how. All right, so let's make an easy collar. I have taken some quilting cotton in a print that suits my project. I have interfaced it and I have folded it in half with right sides together. And I've just chosen a piece that's just big enough to accommodate my template with room to be able to cut that out around. All you need to do is trace around that collar shape. This is the easiest way to get a nice sharp, crisp collar. Make sure you mark in your openings, leave this opening, and we are going to sew directly on that line all the way around. In your corners, just reinforce them. Go back and forth a couple of times with all of your corners, and of course on your start and finish. Once you have stitched around that, go ahead and cut that out and leave a 5mm seam allowance. Then we're going to turn that through and push out all of those seams. So now I have turned that collar through, and as I've turned it through, I've turned that little opening under, and then I've top stitched around the entire outside edge. And then of course, we just fold it right here where that little section pops out. Fold it over and give it a press, pull that around, and you have the perfect little shirt collar. So you've got a bit of room there to slightly adjust that, but this collar is going to fit all three of your memory animals. So if you have the bunny, it'll fit the bunny, the bear, and our dog. I will secure mine just with a little button at the front there. Now you could make a buttonhole if you wish. I will just actually stitch mine through. You could also add snaps underneath and then sew a button on the front, whatever suits your project. But you can see it's the perfect little formal collar that really sets off that neckline.